Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to make your reusable baby wipes. The fabric that I'm using today is 100% cotton, but you can make it with flannel or fleece, that is up to you. The only thing that you need to do here is cut them in small pieces. I prefer to do them small, like 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Then I like to sew the borders if I'm using cotton or flannel, and they look like this. Now the next step is folding them and placing them in a container. This could be plastic or glass. Now we're making the solution for the baby wipes. For this you are going to use 2 cups of warm water, 3 drops of lavender oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of baby wash. Mix everything very well, and then you can pour this solution into your baby wipes. Then let it sit for a couple of minutes until the fabric absorbs all the liquid, and that's it. These baby wipes are fantastic for your baby and for the environment because of course you are not using any bad products or chemicals on the skin of your baby, as well as you don't have to be throwing the baby wipes all the time, and you can control what products are going into your baby's skin, which is very important. And that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.